Well, what you can see here is that we're prepping and getting ready to shoot color on this firewall engine compartment, and you will see how we're going to do it. Now, I did the back side of the firewall, if you've seen it the last video, and that's why I put tape up on here. So when we take this tape off, you can see what would have came into this area, and we would have had to mask this stuff, or we would have had to resand it, getting clear up into this area. You know, we don't want that. We want it nice and clean. Fuck. Well, I got everything masked off, and I am going around and scuffing all the curved parts where I couldn't wet sand, where I had some questions whether or not it was wet sanded. So I'm going around with the gray scuff pad, gray, not red, not just gray. So, doing that, and I'll show you how I mask this. Cudas, Challengers, I think the same way, masking about the same way, but any car you want to do, you can do it any bloody way you want. Masking is tedious. It's harder than painting. It's more time consuming. Can't say harder. So, depends how you mask is how your paint job's going to look. So, on the Cudas, and on any car, but I'm masking it off in sections here. Since I'm not painting this, as you know, that's black, the wheel well area, I'm cutting around very tediously so that black will stand out when that red's on there. Alright, what we did was we masked off all this area because we're going to shoot this in 2 sections. Of course, well, come on. Now, I'm going to shoot all this in this engine compartment in one shot. Now, the fender, the fender comes up in here, and there's a body line right there. So I tape that to that body line. Now, as you see how I come up in here, I masked all this. I came around here nice and neat. So, this will be red, the color of the body. This stays all black. And you see how I get a soft edge there. So I fold the lip of the tape back. Now, this is the way I did this frame, K-frame and stuff. I taped from underneath and wrapped everything. And what I did was I just wrapped up underneath, taped up underneath that frame rail and give a soft edge again. So it's spray, and then what I'll do is I'll fade it like the factory, and right up past that firewall, and then we'll shoot the sealer on and the color, and we'll come back to you. So stay tuned. This is after one coat of DP epoxy primer sealer. We are ready, so let's spray some color on this biatch. All right, there you go. The clear's on, and it's done. I got one little run. That's about it. I'll take care of it. No big deal. But it turned out all right. 2 coats of clear, and we're right on the money.